Hello, today we are going to make Ursula from Little Mermaid. Now I have the drawing and I am using lighter blue. Then next, I use the purple color for eyeshadow on both sides, right and left. Then I use the red color for her lips, upper lip and lower lip. I use the purple color again for her earrings. Then for her skin color, I used lighter purple called lavender. Lavender, you use purple and white, and also I painted on the ear, on her body and the arms. Next color is silver. I put it on her hair everywhere. Make sure stay inside of the Sharpie lines. Inside of the mouth, I painted with black. Next one for her necklace, I used yellow, and for her dress, I used black. Now it's a Play-Doh time. I have blue and red mixed to make purple. Okay, it can be violet too. And I added the white to make lavender color. I made a ball and squished to make it flat. It's for her head and the face, and also a little ball for ears. Now I put googly eyes in the center. Then now I added the lavender and the blue and this is for her eyelid. I'm doing upside down U shape. And I'm using a stick to create the position of eyebrow, and I'm using the darker purple to make eyeshadows. Now I'm making noodle or black and it creates eyebrows. Both sides. Little ball for her nose. And black long U shape for her inside of the mouth. And I used red noodle for her lips. I'm using the stick to make lines near her nose and the mouth. And beauty mark in the corner of her mouth. Now I have black and white to mix to make gray. I mix unevenly on purpose to make the texture push, push, push. See, by the texture of uneven mixed black and white, it looks like a wavy hair. Now I use the darker purple again to make her earrings. This is for her arm, little noodles, bent it to make elbows. Pinch, and I add it on her body. Now I make a lot of noodles with the black. This is for her dress. Cut it and place it. She has octopus legs. If you want to add more, you can add it. Today I'm using 5 octopus legs. And now I am adding for her chest. And I have yellow ball to make her necklace. That's it. Ursula from Little Mermaid. Also, the coloring book is available on Amazon store. Please check the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Good job.